Hey guys, what is Gucci? Welcome back to my canal. For today's video, it's another cooking video. So let's get right into it. So here are the ingredients for the albondigas. You're gonna need a little bit of cumin, some rice, tomato, a piece of garlic, a piece of onion, an egg, and whatever you want for your vegetables. I'm going to use potato and celery. For seasoning, you're going to use the black pepper, some seasoning salt, I like this one, and some Lorry's. And then for your meat, you can use any type of ground beef. You can either use beef or turkey. Okay, so to start it off, you're going to want to put a little bit of water to boil. And then I'm just going to show you guys how I do all of this. So for the sauce itself, go ahead and throw in your tomatoes, your piece of onion, and your small piece of garlic. And this is where the North Suiza comes in. I'm adding about that much. And some water. Go ahead and add your ground beef. I'm going to use a little bit of this seasoning salt. I'm going to use comino, the cumin or cumin. I'm going to add 1 egg and some rice. And then I'm going to use the black pepper. Mix this in. I need to hurry up and make this before my daughter gets out of school, and I have an hour and a half left. So hopefully they are finished. Alright, so now I'm just going to start making these into little bolitas. And depend how big, how small you want them is your preference. So as you can tell, I have some that are smaller, and these are the ones for my kids because it's easier for them to eat it. And I am wearing gloves because I don't want to get the camera dirty, so if I need to move it or something, I'll just take the glove off. And plus I don't feel like getting my hands dirty. So let me just fast forward this part. In 3, 2, 1. If I do decide to make a lot, and if I feel like there is too many that were made out of the ground beef, like sometimes I'll get a bigger size than the one I showed you guys at the beginning of the video, and that is way too many meatballs, what I do is I just make the bolitas and then I put them in a Ziploc bag and I put them in the freezer. So next time when I do decide to make albondigas again, I just thaw them out from the freezer and I'll use those. So then I don't have to do all of this stuff all over again. Okay, back to fast forwarding. Currently boiling up the caldo. Diles hi.
Hi.
So this part right here, I feel like it's very essential to the recipe. Without celery, I feel like it's not gonna give it the same flavor. Celery has a lot of good flavor, so therefore you should definitely add this to your recipe. I'm just saying, you don't have to, but so after your meatballs have been cooking for about 40 minutes, you want to go ahead and add your vegetables. I am using potatoes, so you want to add that towards the end. You do not want to add these at the beginning because then you're going to have literally mashed potatoes. So just add these at the end. And this is the part where you also add water if it's too thick for you, or if you want to add a little bit more water just to dilute the saltiness. It just all depends on your preference. there you have it, mis amores. This is how I do my caldo de albondigas. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button before you leave, and comment down below what you guys want to see from my next video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.